Okay, so here's Christina in labor. Say hello, Christina.
Hi. So friendly.
She's on the monitor. So it's about 2 o'clock right now. So we've been here for approximately 5 hours, just waiting for Mila to come. Alright, so we have been here all day. It's already 6 p.m. and so we've been here for about 9 hours at this point. And it looks like you see this little drip. They want to start giving us some Pitocin, because Christina's labor isn't really progressing too quickly, right? How do you feel about that, Christina?
Frustrating.
Yeah?
I don't want to do Pitocin because it leads to C-sections. And, I just want God to let my body do what it needs to do. And I feel like they're pressuring us. But at the same time, they're right. I am getting really tired and I really haven't really experienced any hard contractions. This is just like cramps.
Yeah, I mean you experienced some.
Yeah.
Like when last time they were monitoring you, you had 2 big ones.
Yeah.
And they were about 8 minutes apart.
Yeah, so...
You know?
They're gonna come back in 20 minutes and just monitor again and hopefully get a decision out of us.
Yeah, what do you think we're gonna do?
I don't know.
So Christina is on Pitocin right now.
It looks all disheveled.
Yeah. You're having contraction, right?
Yeah. Is it a disheveled? Well, it's probably, I don't know if it's probably don't have a contraction yet. I feel it now.
And it's almost 9 o'clock.
We're gonna have a baby.
Yes. So вот Кристина лежит. Сейчас 7, уже 8 утра. So we've been in labor for 32 hours. And Christina's finally having some regular contractions thanks to Pitocin. And she had an epidural at this point and 2 extra shots of anesthetic to get her through pain because she was in a lot of pain. But right now she's relaxing. Say hello, Christina. So we're almost there. We're gonna see Mila pretty soon. Christina's 9.5 millimeters dilated and probably even more now. Yeah, 9.5 centimeters dilated. So this is it. This is a critical point. It's gonna happen pretty soon. So we haven't slept much during the night, but it's worth it. It's worth it. We'll definitely have to catch up and sleep at some point later. Okay.
No. And it comes to area.
You're so cute, Mila. Look at you. You're beautiful. Beautiful little girl. Oh my god. Gorgeous. Mila.
What drugs am I get mounted on?
Tylenol 3, I think.
Tylenol 3. So what was the other one that I was good with?
I think you're okay with Lortab.
Lortab? Oh, good. Pyle is bonding with Mila. She doesn't want to wake up to eat, so we're just spending time holding her. Her Pyle? What do you think? All awake? Huh? She's perfect. Are you happy? After everything we've been through? And now we can move on as a family. She is a baby. Our little princess. Поехали. So pretty. Mila. So cute. You're so
She's
pretty.
gorgeous. She's so gorgeous.
You're so beautiful.
Mm.
You ready to go to sleep?
Yeah, close your beautiful eyes.
No, don't close.
Just off.
Daddy wants to go to La La Land. Nighty night. This is our second day here at home. Today we had the family over.
It's hard. It's really hard. This is no walk in the park.
Definitely not.
That chick's beautiful.
Totally worth it, right?
Mm-hmm.
Not that you gave birth, right?
Almost.
Oh, I think she might need to burp.
Wait. Yeah, let's go.
Just lift her up. You don't have to scratch her body. No, she has to be upright. Oh, look at that little cry. Oh. Come on. Good girl. Good girl. Are you tickling Daddy? That's right. Listen. You talking to me? You're so cute. Who's talking to Mom? Who's talking to Mommy? Huh? Who's talking? Mommy loves you. Who's such a good girl? Who's that pretty little girl? So beautiful. Mommy loves you so much. Who's gonna give Mommy a smile? Who's gonna give Mommy a smile? Are you being shy? Come on, there you go. Give Mommy a smile. So cute. I love you.
She's trying to eat Christina. She's trying to eat her.
That's not where the milk comes from.
She's trying to eat you, though. Mm. Oh. Ой, бедняжка.
So Mila is about 2.5 weeks. Her umbilical cord fell off, and she's ready for her first little bath. Let's see how she does.
Alright, so I'm gonna put her in.
Check the water. Check the water.
How's she doing? She's doing pretty good, huh? Mila's liking it.